What type of fertilizer for dogwood trees? The most important thing to consider when planting a dogwood tree is the type of soil. If the soil is already rich in nutrients, less fertilizer will be needed. Dogwood trees do not grow well in poor soil. Fertilizing. Dogwoods should be fertilized once in February and again in June around the base of the tree. Also scatter fertilizer within 100 square feet of the area surrounding the tree. Don't over-fertilize, this is bad for young trees. Mulch. Place mulch in a circle around the base of the tree. It should be at least 3 inches thick and extend out 8 feet from the base of the tree. It should stop 3 inches away from the trunk. Replace as needed. Compost. Some chemical fertilizers cause fewer blossoms on a dogwood tree, so try a natural compost. Place a bin in your backyard and allow your plant-based wastes to naturally decompose. The result is a nutrient-rich mixture that's perfect for fertilizing. Chemical fertilizers. If you decide to use a chemical fertilizer for your dogwood tree, choose one that is rich in nitrogen. A formula specifically for trees is better than an all-purpose fertilizer. Water. Dogwood trees need plenty of water. At least 1 inch of water per week is recommended during the spring and summer.